Every once in a while, we come across homeowners who have a lot of expectation for their first home and have visions on how they would love to see it. However, budget is a big factor in our industry, but in CB Design Studio, we never restrict our design ideas based on the budget. Rather, we always come with new designing ideas which are economical. We believe every home has a different story and a special corner in our hearts.
Also, there is one main endeavor is to complete it with a smile, to connect with the client and to keep a long-lasting relation even after the project has been completed. Without further ado, welcome to CB Design Studio.
Hi, this is Riyanka.
And hi, this is Saji, and we are here to take you to the tour of this 3 BHK property in Kolkata.
Let's walk into the living dining area first.
As we enter to the property, on the left hand side is the seating area with a very nice wall having vertical wallpaper pattern and lacquer glass on its side to highlight the wall. Also, the wall have an additional aesthetic element, that is the golden clock. Towards the seating area, opposite to it is the TV unit having base and upper cabinet in complete laminate finish, giving more storage space. With the continuation to it is the shoe unit having mirror effect on it. We always like to create a separate dining section in living areas. Here we have created a partition with display unit and also managed to slot in an aquarium to create a happy source for the happy homeowner. The divider also provides privacy to the dining section. The dining area have a very nice display unit with spotlights to highlight the artifacts placed in it.
There are moments, things which we do not wish to lose or discard and have sentimental values attached to it. Here in this particular area, we have tried to retain the values which bring smile on the client's face by also melding it into other new designs. The parents' bedroom has an existing poster bed which is beautifully carved. To meet up the expectation with the particular furniture, the TV unit has been designed in laminate finish, and as you can see, the bottom has been carved beautifully. The TV unit area is also highlighted with lacquered glass and wooden beads, which is giving it a classy look altogether. To match it up with the authenticity, the door and the wardrobe shutters has jali at the center. This is the master bedroom for the property, which has an existing bed and a wardrobe. And you all would be amazed to see how well new furnitures are incorporated with the laminate selection that goes well with the existing ones. You can see the wardrobe is existing, but the loft above is an additional. You all must be thinking, what about the puja unit? Well, that is something we have made, which have a beautiful intricate jali at the sides and the shutters having sticker on the glass. There is a small space for the study area beside the bed as per the requirement, having some small wall ledge to keep knickknacks. The TV unit has a nice paneling with base unit whose color combination suits your eyes. The room has a small niche which is being utilized as a cupboard we created for the additional storage and have a fantastic laminate finish. Which small girl does not crave for a princess look in their room? Let's have a tour in the daughter's bedroom. The bed for the little girl is emphasized to have a princess look, having a canopy with the material of cloth and have a nice background of wallpaper at the back. Beside is the dresser with a cute nice color cabinets for storage. The wardrobe shutter is glazed with Barbie inside the niche provided, which goes well with the theme of the room. Beside the wardrobe is the study unit, which gives the shape of the house and having open and closed shelves with the lights beneath, and a softboard to pin her artistry work. The TV unit has a nice simple ledge for the TV so that the space does not look bulky and have grooves for the aesthetic look. Thank you so much for choosing CB Design Studio to design your home. It was really nice to work with you. How was your experience in working with us?
Yeah, our experience with CB was really good. At first, after purchasing this property, we were really confused that who would design this property for us. So we looked for many designing studios over the net, And after looking at many various videos, we came to a conclusion that yes, CB Design Studios finishing was really good, which we really appreciated, and we then decided to choose CB Design Studio. All the finishings and every part of this property they have designed very nicely for us. First of all, they showed us the 2D designs. Okay, and then after we made some changes to the 2D designs. They made the changes for
the
us.
furniture layout we used to make first.
Yeah. After the finishing and the finalization of the design, then they gave us the 3D design. 3D design.
Yeah, 3Ds are actually really important to visualize how your property is going to look like.
Yeah. So it was very much clear to us that our property will look like this.
Which is your favorite part in this house? Mine especially is the kids' room.
This partition is very special for us because he is
Because
very.
very differently we have planned at that time.
Yes,
So many times we have changed it,
Yeah,
but finally.
even the aquarium came out
Yes.
very well.
Yeah, and he is very fond of the aquarium, so
Right.
it's very
So
special.
from our side, this is the very special part for us.
Thank you for sharing some time and having this interactive session.
Thank you for watching our videos. Do like, share, subscribe.
Signing off. Bye from CB Design Studio.